Validator sterilization cycle. Load the sterilizer, then close the door and select the proper mode. Press clear/start and the front panel will display fill as water enters the chamber from the fill tank. When filling is complete, the lower display will show the temperature. At this time, full power will be applied to the heater to begin chamber warm-up. The sterilizer will begin building pressure at about 100 degrees Celsius. When the sterilization cycle begins, the Validator sterilizer is controlled by the pressure value. This is different than the other Pelton and Crane sterilizers, which are controlled by temperature. The time is displayed on the lower window of the unit. If pressure stability problems occur, the timer will pause when pressures go lower than a certain value. When the cycle pauses for more than 3 minutes due to decrease in pressure, a fail alarm will sound. After the sterilization time has elapsed, the vent solenoid valve will open and the chamber pressure will drop. The dump solenoid valve opens at approximately 20 kPa, accelerating the pressure drop to zero. The exception to this is when the liquid cycle is selected. There is no venting until the unit has cooled to prevent boilover from occurring because of the sudden drop in pressure. The next phase is the drying cycle. A 30-minute period is programmed into the unit to allow for proper drying of a fully loaded sterilizer. This is with the sterilizer door closed. To expedite drying, crack the door open approximately 1 inch. Loads should dry in about 5 minutes with the door opened. Another sterilization cycle is started by depressing clear/start. After the drying cycle is complete, the unit will flash end in the lower display window. Condition of valves during fill cycle. Solenoid valve ID. Type of valve. Valve status. Solenoid activated. Fill. Normally closed. Open. Yes. Vent. Normally open. Open. No. Dump. Normally closed. Open. Yes. Normally closed, closed when the coil is de-energized, open when energized. Normally open, open when the coil is de-energized, closed when energized. Condition of valves during sterilize cycle. Solenoid valve ID. Type of valve. Valve status. Solenoid activated. Fill. Normally closed. Closed. No. Vent. Normally open. Closed. Yes. Dump. Normally closed. Closed. No. Normally closed, closed when the coil is de-energized, open when energized. Normally open, open when the coil is de-energized, closed when energized. Condition of valves during vent cycle. Solenoid valve ID. Type of valve. Valve status. Solenoid activated. Fill. Normally closed. Closed. No. Vent. Normally open. Open. No. Dump. Normally closed. Closed. No. Normally closed, closed when the coil is de-energized, open when energized. Normally open, open when the coil is de-energized, closed when energized. Condition of valves during dump cycle. Solenoid valve ID. Type of valve. Valve status. Solenoid activated. Fill. Normally closed. Closed. No. Vent. Normally open. Open. No. Dump. Normally closed. Open. Yes, at tilde 20 kPa. Normally closed, closed when the coil is de-energized, open when energized. Normally open, open when the coil is de-energized, closed when energized. Sterilizer questions answered. If you have any other questions, call us at 1-800-762-1586 or email us at info@sterilizers.com. There is more information you can find on sterilizers.com, where you can call, email, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or web chat.